Well, earlier this summer, WENY News reported on concerns about the water quality in the borough of Elkland after a loss in water pressure in the municipal system in late June.
And now the Pennsylvania DEP has confirmed that a water sample taken in the borough on June 30th tested positive for coliform bacteria. WENY's Scott Brubaker is here to tell us what this ultimately means. Scott?
Yeah, Nick and Renata, according to Penn State Extension, coliform could indicate the potential presence of disease-causing bacteria such as E. coli. But the DEP testing shows there was no traces of E. coli in the water during the time period in question. However, officials warned that if the issue isn't addressed, it could happen again. On the evening of June 28th, the Elkland Borough Water Authority reported a sudden drop in water pressure. But it took the borough until July 2nd to issue the borough-wide boil water advisory. One water board official I spoke with says leadership issues within the authority caused the delayed alert.
There are still some questions regarding the structure of the authority and who is in charge, and who the operators and the DEP answer to. And that's kind of leaving us exposed to having a similar situation happen again.
Austin Welch is a member of the Elkland Borough Water Authority. He says that according to the authority's bylaws, he holds the position of chairperson. But the borough disagrees, telling WENY News they recognize Lindsay King as the chairperson. We reached out to her but have not heard back yet. And the borough has told us no further comment.
As of now, I would listen to the DEP, and if the authority feels that there's something that we find that is definitive, we will speak forward then.
Welch says over the past couple of months, the borough has been taking the right steps to address any water situation. Since the testing in late June, no coliform has been detected in the borough's water system. And the DEP says the borough is taking the proper corrective steps.
We definitely need to get redundant systems in for our monitoring. I know those discussions have been had. I don't think we've really had many discussions in the meetings. The meetings seem to be driven towards other issues at the moment. We are working on getting an emergency response plan put together and getting the authority structured appropriately so that if there is a problem, we can address it quickly.
Now, the DEP says that it's not likely you would still be experiencing health issues if you drank the water during that time frame. Penn State Extension says that contaminated water with coliform does not always cause illness, but if it does, common symptoms are gastrointestinal issues and general flu-like symptoms. But the DEP says that you should reach out to your medical provider if you have any concerns.